Hello there, I want to take this golden opportunity to welcome you to my channel. In today's video I will be walking you step-by-step guide about master personal finance. If you are new to this channel and find it helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. Let's dive into the video. To start the website, simply start your browser and then type AI Kit Reviews and then search for it on the Google search list. Click on it to open the website. On your right-hand side, locate Personal Finance and then click on it to open the very website. Or check the link in the description below, which will take you direct to the website, Master Personal Finance, the ultimate path to business success. Discover how strategic personal finance management can transform your business, create wealth, and secure your financial future. Learn from experts and implement proven strategies today. What is personal finance? The complete business perspective. Personal finance is the strategic management of your financial resources to achieve both short-term stability and long-term prosperity. In a business context, it's about treating your personal finances with the same discipline and strategic planning you would apply to a successful enterprise. At its core, personal finance encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, insurance, tax planning, retirement planning, and estate planning. But when viewed through a business lens, it becomes a comprehensive system for optimizing your human capital, managing risk, and maximizing returns on your most important asset, yourself. Business perspective. Think of yourself as the CEO of You, Incorporated. Your personal finance strategy becomes your business plan. Your income is your revenue, your expenses are your costs, and your net worth is your company's valuation. This mindset shift is what separates financially successful individuals from those who struggle with money throughout their lives. The 5 pillars of personal finance for business professionals. Successful personal finance management rests on 5 critical pillars that mirror successful business operations. 1. Income management, maximizing revenue streams through salary negotiation, side businesses, and career advancement. 2. Strategic spending and budgeting, implementing business-grade budgeting systems to control costs. 3. Savings and emergency funds, building emergency funds equivalent to a business's cash reserves. 4. Investment and wealth building, deploying capital into diversified assets that generate returns. 5. Risk management and protection, implementing insurance and protection strategies to safeguard against financial disasters. The reality of personal finance in today's economy. Understanding the current financial landscape is crucial. Consider these facts. 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. There is $1.7 trillion in outstanding student loan debt in the U.S. 56% of adults have less than $10,000 in retirement savings. 33% of Americans have no emergency savings. Inflation continues to outpace wage growth, making strategic financial planning more critical than ever. The transformative benefits of mastering personal finance. Implementing a strategic personal finance plan delivers tangible benefits: financial security and peace of mind, accelerated wealth building through compound interest, career and business flexibility, improved relationships, legacy building for future generations. Key insight: the benefits of personal finance mastery compound over time, just like investments. Early efforts yield disproportionately large rewards later in life. How to implement a winning personal finance strategy. Follow this step-by-step framework. Step 1. Financial assessment and goal setting. Step 2. Budget creation and implementation. Step 3. Debt management strategy. Step 4. Emergency fund establishment. Step 5. Strategic investing. Step 6. Continuous education and adjustment. Implementation tip: automate your financial systems wherever possible. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts to ensure consistency. The truth about personal finance: pros, cons, and realistic expectations. The advantages include financial security and reduced stress, wealth accumulation over time, freedom and flexibility in life choices, improved relationships, crisis resilience. The challenges include requires discipline and delayed gratification. Initial complexity of learning financial concepts, emotional challenges facing financial realities, time commitment for ongoing management. Common misconceptions about personal finance: many people avoid financial planning due to incorrect beliefs. Misconception: I need a high income to build wealth. Reality, consistent saving and investing habits matter more than income level. Misconception, financial planning is only for wealthy people. Reality, everyone benefits from financial planning. Misconception, it's too late for me to start. Reality, the best time to start was yesterday, the second best is today. The unvarnished truth about personal finance. The fundamental truth is this: financial success is less about sophisticated strategies and more about consistent implementation of basic principles over time. True financial security comes from spending less than you earn, investing the difference wisely, and protecting what you've built. Perhaps the most important insight is that the greatest barrier to financial success is often psychological rather than mathematical. Overcoming emotional spending, fear of investing, and procrastination is frequently more challenging than learning the technical aspects of money management. Your financial journey will have setbacks and challenges. The key to long-term success isn't perfection but persistence, the willingness to continue making progress despite obstacles. I recommend starting where you are with what you have. Open that savings account, contribute to your retirement plan, or create your first budget today. The compound effect of small, consistent actions over years and decades is what creates genuine financial freedom. Begin your financial transformation today. If you find this video helpful, then do subscribe for more video hints like this.